You're looking at a Quincy 100 horsepower air compressor brought to you by Lanco. This is a model 490. This unit's rated up to 200 psi maximum output and 500 CFM maximum output. Overall dimensions are 108 inches long, 76 inches wide, and 68 inches high. Weight is 4,496 pounds. This is a 463 phase unit. Currently I have it hooked up to power. We'll run it for you here in just a moment. This is a water cooled unit. Get a look at the back side here. You see the inlet and water hookups and the air out. 29,752 hours. Once again, this is a Quincy 100 horse air compressor brought to you by Lanco. You can see the control cabinet here. It's been checked out, fully operational. Got your gauge set here, and we will now operate it for you. Quickly builds pressure. If you're interested in this Quincy air compressor or any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.